Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Radical Lifestyle. Today I'm taking you to an Amazon rainforest, or at least a replica of an Amazon rainforest. And the cool thing is, it is all indoors. This is the Green Planet, located right in the heart of Dubai. It's open every day from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and it's located conveniently at the City Walk in Al Wasl, Dubai. The mission of the Green Planet is to educate guests about tropical habitats and the species residing within, to raise awareness, drive change, and motivate action. It is committed to lowering our carbon footprint by adapting eco-friendly and sustainable practices of reducing waste, recycling, and educating the visitors about how they can protect their environment locally and internationally. The Green Planet is also dedicated to the betterment of zoological best practice care and conservation through environmental, behavioral, and scientific research collaboration, utilizing their unique tropical biodome. The first ever eco-friendly birthday party packages were started right here in the Green Planet in the UAE with their Blow Bubbles Not Balloons initiative. All the party decorations are reusable with no single-use plastics. There are also many experiences that guests and kids can enjoy here. For example, there's camp in the rainforest, or be a zookeeper for a day. And for the kids, there is the Rainforest Summer Camp. The area we're in right now is right at the entrance. This area is mainly the kids' play area, where they can interact with some animatronic bugs and also learn more about the fauna and flora. The Green Planet has over 3,000 plants and animals in its biodome tropical rainforest, including birds, reptiles, and fish. They are all kept in open environments, but we are not allowed to touch them. Here you can see a list of experiences that we can enjoy. It also includes feeding some of the animals right around lunchtime. The biodome is cube-shaped. It is almost 60,000 square feet in area, and the building's exterior is divided into two parts diagonally. One part is cylindrical with glass, and the other part is covered with small circular apertures. At the entrance, we walk through somewhat of an aquarium where we can see a few tropical fish and a cute little tortoise. Next, we are taking the elevator all the way to the top of the building, and then we're going to make our way down just like as if we were going through a rainforest. Just as we step out of the elevator, we are greeted by some very cute furry animals. We stopped to say hello to this cute little lemur and also got a chance to take a couple of photos with him as well. We started to make our way down the rainforest now. Along the way, we stopped to say hi to a few of the cute birds and some furry animals. At the center of the biodome, there is an 82-foot tall tree with an artificial trunk. We entered on the 4th floor, and now we are going to walk down using the spiral slope. There's a small bridge that connects to the tree, which can hold up to 4 people at a time. To help the visitors understand more about the rainforest and the types of plants and animals and birds you can find here, they have posted a lot of infographics with pictures of the birds or pictures of the animals and a short little paragraph with some details about that particular animal. This really helps the guests understand and actually enjoy what we're seeing here. As we were admiring the birds, out of nowhere, this cute little guy comes out. This is a black and white ruffed lemur. He is on the critically endangered species list. These lemurs are typically found in Madagascar. They have white fur around their necks and bright yellow eyes. These species are agile in nature and often hang from their feet to reach ripe fruit, seeds, leaves, and nectar. They also help in pollinating the rainforest as the pollen gets stuck in their fur around their necks and is moved from one tree to another. The ruffed lemurs live in nests present in trees and become independent around 4 months and reach full maturity around 20 months. They have an average lifespan of 19 years in the wild. At the entrance of each level, we are greeted by many varieties of reptiles. Right now, we are about to meet a small baby snake. The reptile expert was explaining to us about the difference between venomous and poisonous. Did you know there was a difference between a snake being venomous and poisonous? I didn't, but make sure you pause to read what the difference is. As a reptile expert brought over another snake, the lemurs in the rainforest were starting to bark, and I had no idea they sound like this.
Wow. Are you that loud? Wow. One right there. The lemur. Ah, it's making that noise. This one. The white one? Yeah. Yes.
One of the coolest things about this place is being this close and personal with these animals. These animals are endangered and on the critically endangered list, and yet here we are in the middle of Dubai and we are able to be this close to this particular animal and many others, as you'll see in this video. Tropical rainforests are home to huge diversity of reptiles and amphibians. These are found in virtually all rainforest habitats, ranging from the high canopy to streams and creeks. Collectively, reptiles and amphibians are known as herps. Many herps are threatened by habitat loss, the pet trade, and environmental change. Amphibians are particularly at risk from a deadly disease that is spreading around the globe. The disease has already caused the extinction of at least 170 species of frogs and toads over the past 30 years. Sadly, the scientists have not yet been able to pinpoint what is the cause of the outbreak or how it can be controlled. Emergency measures have been implemented for some endangered species, which are being collected and kept in zoos, aquariums, and botanical gardens until a cure can be found. As we made our way down, we spotted another cute little animal. The cotton-top tamarin is a small New World monkey weighing less than 0.5 kilograms. This New World monkey can live up to 24 years, but most of them die by 13 years old. One of the smallest primates, the cotton-top tamarin is easily recognized by the long white sagittal crest extending from its forehead to its shoulders. The species is found in tropical forest edges and secondary forests in Colombia. Just as we finished checking out the cotton-top tamarin, we saw this cute little guy taking a nap. Any guesses on what that is?
Tropical thunderstorms are very common in the rainforest, and it looks like we're about to get caught in some afternoon showers. Don't fret. If you're looking to stay dry, we simply ask that you move to the nearest balcony or ramp area. Now, on the other hand, if you want to have some fun...
Just as I spotted the next cute little animal, they had an announcement overhead that announced there was going to be some afternoon showers in the rainforest. So now we are all getting ready to see the tropical rainfall in this forest. Finally, here is the afternoon rain in the rainforest. A lot of people are standing underneath covers so they don't get wet. And there are a few adventurers at the bottom who are just loving the rain. As the rain continued, I came back to say hello once again to this cute little sloth. As you all know, sloths are very lazy and they sleep almost 90% of the time. We have now made our way down to the forest floor. And along the way, we're going to spot some really unique looking birds. Just right here, we spotted another sloth. He's taking a nap after a full lunch.
Yeah.
At the forest floor, we got to see someone else doing one of the feeding experiences that they have here at the Green Planet. This mom and daughter duo are about to feed some flying foxes. Let's take a look now. Here is one of the unique looking birds I was talking about earlier. This bird is called the Victoria crowned pigeon. This is a large bluish gray pigeon with an elegant blue lace-like crest with a maroon breast and red irises. This bright red beauty is called the red lory. It's a species of parrot. In every rainforest, there is always a river, and here in the Green Planet, they have recreated their own river full of tropical fish. As we wrap up the tour of the rainforest, we end our tour with a showcase full of carnivorous plants. Make sure you pause to read more about those. The tour is not over just yet. Now we're heading to the creatures of the night. Now in this section, we are going to see all of the nocturnal animals that are commonly present inside a typical rainforest. We are going to wrap up this video with a special guest. This is Dubai's very first anaconda. It's a yellow anaconda, and at first we didn't find him because he was hiding all the way up here. We are wrapping up our tour of the green planet with this little guy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.